Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Audacity tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you how to export selected parts of your project file as different file formats in Audacity editing software. Let me show you how. Like for instance, this is a complete project right here. I can decide to export from this angle right here to the last end of the audio, or I can decide to export from here to here as far as this particular tutorial is concerned. First thing first, we need to make sure we select the part that we want to cut. Select everything right here, then take your mouse into the area you want to cut. So take your mouse to where you want to cut. So I'm going to cut from here. Next thing we want to do is to go ahead and we'll press Ctrl I. This will make a breakage, and the next thing we want to do is to take my mouse right here and press Ctrl I again. Now we have this particular part here being cut from the clip right here. So we have one clip here and we have another clip right here. So let's say, for instance, I want to export only this selected clip. How do we do that? Make sure the selected clip is active. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on File right here. Then go ahead and click on Export Audio right here. And this is going to pump up. Go ahead and click on Export to Computer. And this is going to pump up right here. Then you can choose your file destination right here. I'm saving it to my desktop. Then I can go ahead and click on the file format. So there are so many file formats right here: WAV, other uncompressed file, MP3 file, OGG, and FLAC. There are lots right here. What you need to do is to go ahead and choose any file format of your choice. In this tutorial, I'm going to select MP3 file right here. So having select MP3 file, then we have different channel. We have mono, we have stereo, we have customized. I'm going to put it in mono. Then the sample rate right here, I'm going to put it 411. Then the bit rate right here, I'm going to put it variable, and the quality is still okay right here. Then what we want to do right here, I'm going to switch to current selection right here. So having click on current selection right here, that will go ahead and then make sure I click on export right here, and the file is going to be successfully exported. Let's go ahead and look for the file in the location folder right here. So I have the file in the file converter DOC right here. So here we go. You can see the file right here as MP3 file format, just like so. It's that simple. So this is how to export a selected part from your clip or your project file from your Audacity software without any stress in different type of file formats. For more useful tutorial like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.